Take a ride in the 2026 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, trailering package, electronic stability control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.